Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Niche Products. Hope you are doing good and safe. It's been a long time to talk to you all. So far we have covered on various different videos. My last video was on social blade analytics, which especially helps in analyzing the data for YouTube creators. In the same way, I'm going to explain two more tools which are very useful for YouTube creators. That is nothing but VidIQ and TubeBuddy. So these two are very famous for YouTube creators, and many people are already using these tools, and it helps you to analyze your video views, SEO score, and other tags that are that can be used for your video based on searching other similar videos which are completed by others. So you can compare your video with other video statistics using vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So this helps you in analyzing how far you are moving your video to your information that you are passing to the customers or users which you are following, which people are following your channel, so that you can improvise on some of the areas which you need to focus more on, either SEO thing, or even tagging your keywords or description content, or any other information that provides by vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Usually TubeBuddy is available in all the Chrome as a Chrome extension in all the browsers, whereas vidIQ is available in the Google Chrome as a Google Chrome extension. vidIQ is giving more insights with lower version, lower cost, monthly cost pro versions, whereas TubeBuddy is a bit more expensive, but it is also giving more insights and also more information, like auto thumbnail generation for more effective thumbnails. So TubeBuddy also many people are using, but I am not using any of the pro versions in TubeBuddy or vidIQ. I am currently using the basic versions, which is helping me to compare with my videos with other videos or other keywords which can be used to improve my SEO, so that when people search for a particular video, like for suppose vidIQ for YouTube or TubeBuddy for YouTube, or some keywords which you want to search for. I can tag those keywords in my video, where vidIQ and TubeBuddy are suggesting, like social blade analytics. It also gives so many other performances. I would also go and install those Chrome extensions, especially vidIQ and TubeBuddy, including social blade analytics, for pro free versions till you are comfortable with all these things, and go for either of the pro versions when you have a certain number of people having watch time and as well as subscribers. Then you can actually go for a pro version. Till then, I would suggest you to go for a free versions. So let us go to the vidIQ Chrome extensions and TubeBuddy Chrome extensions on desktop, so that it helps you how to install these Chrome extensions, and then check the analysis in your desktop or mobile by logging into the vidIQ and TubeBuddy accounts. Last week, I think, explained in detail social blade analytics in my last video. So please go through these three videos if you are new to the YouTube and or else you are creating a new start for your YouTube journey. So it would be very helpful for you. So let's go and see the vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Thank you. On the Chrome extensions which we have discussed so far on improving your SEO analytics, and using this Chrome extensions, vidIQ and TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel, which is very, very important for any newcomers, because there are different versions in this vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So I have already installed this Chrome extension TubeBuddy, and if you go to the chrome.google.com and Chrome extension TubeBuddy for YouTube, and in the same way vidIQ for YouTube, you search, you will get both the extensions. So just install this and create your login credentials with that. For you to log in, and it gives you wonderful information about your channel information. If see, I have already signed in with TubeBuddy, and at the same time I have also signed in with VidIQ. So I just opened my latest video, social Blade Analytics, which is also a Chrome extension which helps you to analyze your YouTube statistical data. So these three are very good tools for any new commerce that who wants to create YouTube videos in the as a YouTube creator and want to grow in this YouTube world. So it is better to install the basic version, free versions, and try to see till you understand the concepts of this basic things, how your video is performing. Anyway, as we discussed, YouTube Analytics also is providing the detailed analytics of your YouTube, how much it is performing. But these are dedicatedly created for showing up your YouTube video analytics. So if you see here, I mean, it is showing you this video has been viewed by 84 views, 2 comments, and the SEO score is very good. I mean, very good in the sense it could be 90 and above, but at least 65 is okay compared to being in the red. So this is way, I mean, we can see these different statistics here, and also tags and all. It shows me any video tags that have been used. I mean, you can search for other competitor video and see which tags they have been used in for this particular niche which you are using, and use those tags as well here. In the same way, vidIQ also, I mean, see here, vidIQ score is in red, and I need to improve for this video vidIQ score, and 84 views, and it also gives me a vidIQ score 13.8 by 100. So if you see here, I mean, so words per minute and all, it is giving the detailed analytics. So, but I would suggest you to install and use the basic versions of these VidIQ and TubeBuddy and the Social Blade Analytics, which we have discussed last week, and it gives the detailed information of all the analysis, which might help you in improving your SEO statistics. So basically, when you want to search a YouTube channel, you will search with a keyword like vidIQ for YouTube, right? So those tags you need to put in the tags. Actually, if your video is a specific niche, so that tag which you are mentioning in your video is very key. So it suggests you, vidIQ suggests you that kind of tags and keywords which can be put on your video. So I would suggest you to go for this vidIQ and TubeBuddy and Social Blade Analytics, which might help you for getting the right analytics and information, and also helps you in enhancing your skills in improving your search engine optimization. And also once you reach some certain set of subscribers, you can always go for a pro version. At this point of time, it is not required for going for a pro version. vidIQ is available for free version, and TubeBuddy is available for free version. vidIQ is only available in Chrome extension, whereas TubeBuddy is available in just on the Chrome extensions, which we have discussed so far on improving your SEO analytics and using this Chrome extensions, vidIQ and TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel, which is very important for any newcomers, because there are different versions in this VidIQ and TubeBuddy. So I have already installed this Chrome extension TubeBuddy, and if you go to the chrome.google.com and Chrome extension TubeBuddy for YouTube, and in the same way VidIQ for YouTube, you search, you will get both the extensions only available in Chrome extension, whereas TubeBuddy is available in